Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Simplifi by Quicken. Review my usage experience. Simplifi by Quicken. Review my usage experience offers personal finance management. It's designed to help users track spending, budgeting, and manage their financial accounts all in one place. Key features seem to include budgeting tools, account aggregation, and insightful financial reports. Their website provides details on specific features and pricing plans. Simplifi positions itself as an intuitive and easy-to-use personal finance solution. They highlight ease of use and comprehensive financial tracking. Their website emphasizes pricing transparency, though specific details vary depending on the plan selected. Availability is widespread, accessible to most users with online banking capabilities. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Simplifi by Quicken. Getting started was a breeze. The onboarding process was straightforward. I connected my bank accounts in minutes. The interface is incredibly intuitive. The dashboard clearly displays my spending categorized by type, which helped me quickly identify areas where I could save. I particularly appreciated the visual representations of my budget progress. The charts and graphs made understanding my finances much easier. I used the budgeting feature extensively, and I found it really helpful in tracking my progress towards my savings goals. The performance was consistently reliable. I experienced no glitches or lags during my usage. I had a quick question about linking a specific credit card, and their support responded within 24 hours via email, which was excellent. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app, though the web interface is responsive on my phone. It took me a little while to get used to the advanced settings, but once I did, I found them incredibly powerful and customizable. The standout feature for me was definitely the personalized financial reports. They offered a detailed overview of my spending habits, providing valuable insights to improve my financial management. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Simplifi by Quicken. It's a powerful tool that helped me gain better control of my finances. That's my overview of Simplifi by Quicken. Review my usage experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.